Do it. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh. Forgot to take the thing off. Sorry. Well, here's some more ruins for you. And this sign says, you know, to be careful around it. Because apparently it's not safe. But let's see how unsafe it is. Back there it sounded like there was a current. And I'm trying to look for this mill. That was like the biggest thing I wanted to look for. I don't know, I just like standing next to water, man. I absolutely love standing next to water. Let's go inside it, for goodness sakes. They said to be careful. Let's go inside it. Oh no, you'll get crushed if you go inside. Look from a distance. No, I want to get inside. Sure you get crushed by this. If it starts moving, it'll create a shadow. I gotta get the hell out of here. Yeah, that's really nice, man. Now, what was this structure, what was this building used for, I wonder? I have no idea, man. Would have been nice if they said what it was. They just said, you know, reminisce about it if you want. Well, yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it was for. I mean, they used to do manufacturing around here. This is Rolling Hill Park. What's down that way? But I heard the river, I heard a waterfall down that way. That's what it sounded like. I'm going to go left first. No, I'm going to go this way. Yeah, I'm going to go this way. No, I really want to go near the water, for goodness sakes. Yep. Oh, we actually found it. We actually found the water. Actually, there's the stream. I knew I heard water. Now, where the heck is the drop? Where's that waterfall? Oh boy, let's go walk in it. Man, I can't get my shoes wet. No, seriously, let's go walk in it. No, I can't do that. Do 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 do. I like baked beans. I like baked beans. Maybe I should have gone left. This could be taking me back up. But there it is. Old dried up berries. No thank you. That's probably it over here. I see stairs and... No, that's probably not it. Oh, goodness. I'm trying not to fall left. I could die here. It's a good place to break your neck. Now, what is that over there? Oh, there it is. What is... Oh, there it is. There's the house. Yeah, there goes those fans. That look like a couple of lions, one on either side. Does this take me left to get to it? Or... Because there's the other left that could take us right to get to it. Or should we continue this right to get to the left? I don't know, man. I don't know. Hopefully they take me to it. It looks like it's curving left, man. It's curving. Let's get to it. Now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. We get to look at... There's another building. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Huh? You're kidding. Never mind, there's this over here. There's this. Now, what does this sign say? Danger, keep out. No trespassing. Hey, guess what, people? Guess what we're doing? We're trespassing. We're trespassing. Let's go. It says no trespassing. Let's get going. Look from a distance, you piece of shit. You ain't supposed to trespass. Oh, there's no path. Look, it's a freaking drop here. Oh, wait, there it is. God damn it. No, it's a dead end. A complete dead end. I got a spider web on me. Son of a gun. Nope. Oh, that stinks. That smells. That is horrible. Well, no trespassing sign. You're a sign for nothing, because there's nothing here to trespass, for goodness sakes. Look at you. What is your purpose? Don't you have anything to say for you? Oh, look, there's symbols here. Now, what the heck is that? Now, it's graffiti or something. Every time there's a no trespassing sign, there's graffiti. I guess we gotta go the other way. We have to. I mean, that was my first option, and then I saw this here. I mean, it would be a lot easier if we just vaulted from here to there and just skip over the rocks. Which I'll stumble anyway. Probably break my ankle. Well, never broken anything, but yes, I've had some sprains here and there. You either pulled a muscle and it just started feeling weird, or some other thing. This would be the one place where I'd break something and probably die. Probably my whole spinal cord, man. Oh, wait a minute. That's getting off the trail, so there is nothing there to get to. So that's actually a house. That's, yeah, I mean, I can still see that it looks like it's built, you know. I don't know, man. I'm looking at it a little bit clearer now. That doesn't look like it's destroyed or, excuse me, destroyed or anything. Come on, man. What's going on, planet Earth? Come on, this part of planet Earth, you're supposed to work out for me. You were supposed to work out for me. It did not. We did find our water. We did find our stream. I'm happy about that. This might be the end. I said that the last time, and then I found this structure here. So let's try the other side. I said that the last time, and then I undisappointed myself. Wait a minute, did that sign just fall down? You're kidding. What the hell? What the hell? You're kidding. You are kidding. Wait a minute. Somebody picked that up and put this over here. You're kidding. Wait a minute, is this a different house? It can't be. I would have seen it. I would have seen it. And they dusted it off. Okay, well, if you want to read what it says, please, these old building ruins have early American charm. They also have 20th century hazards. Look from a distance, reminisce if you will, but please stay out for your own safety. We were just in here, and this mound looks just like the one that we were just walking on. Did they literally just pick the sign up and throw it here? What the hell is going on? And I have not seen a person here at all. We would have heard crinkling. I would have heard crinkling. You're kidding. Or was there another sign? That one looks cleaner than the other one, too. It does. What the hell is going on here, man? I came down from that way. They literally... Now, the person had to have gone this way. Oh, my goodness. Wow, dude. That's crazy. I mean, it was standing, and now it's laying down. So what they do, dust it off. Oh. Oh, there's this. Would you like to venture a guess and say what this was? Doesn't look like a cemetery here, but man. Oh, it could have been, I don't know. I can't say it was a vault. I can't say anything. It looked like it could have been a chimney. No, that couldn't have been it either. Because out here would be the house. Unless it was the I don't know, man. Seriously. And this is what's left over. Well, instead of an igloo, this is a good place to camp out. You put your little fire here. And then you have this. Now, I'm small enough to fit in there. Y'all can make it work. You could actually get at least 2, maybe 3 people my size in there. You know, laying this way. Okay, so we have this left trail, and then we have this down here. That is still kind of bizarre. Well, there is a person walking over there, but I can't imagine that person because he looked like he's coming this way. Just, you know, moseying along, relaxed. Look like he's enjoying himself. Pick the sign up and change it. That sign was standing. That sign was standing. I'm not crazy, people. Well, I am, but not clinically crazy. I'm not clinically insane. At least if I am, I don't know it yet. Okay, I don't know it yet. Someone else will have to tell me. That sign was freaking standing, and it was dirty. It was dirty. I even have the footage that it was standing. I came back to it, and now it's on the floor. You kidding me? I have to go back and watch it. Okay, so what was I recording that? Was I recording that? I was. No, I'm not going to say this place is haunted. Oh, Tina, there's a ghost following you. Yeah, I did mention footsteps behind me to myself. Because I thought I was hearing things. Well, we could stand near the stream. That was bizarre, man. Completely crazy. Well, there's our water, but further down there it sounded like, man, it was falling somewhere. It was falling somewhere. Let me go down this way, see where it ends, or where it continues, wherever. Well, maybe we'll find more houses. So I'm thinking, who did that really fast? They really just yanked it up and out. And it looked like it was really embedded in the ground. What? Wait a minute, there's another one. I didn't walk that much further over. You're going to tell me there's another sign. Is that going to be the dirty one? So you're saying I teleported. You're going to say that I teleported. I'm not insane. And I did not go in a circle either. Don't tell me. I was here. I was here, man. Not here, but I mean I was back there here. Sugar. Sugar, man. All sugar. Well, here's another sign compared to the last video. Wait a minute, that one's standing, and that's a different one. There's two of them. So if I see it next one and come back, is it going to fall down again? Are they going to rip it up, this sign? Rolling Hill Park, Mill Creek Power, the power of water. This is it. This is it. We're here. You can read that if you want. I think the last time I recorded around here, this might be the same story. I would have to go back and watch that video again and read the stuff. The ruins. It would have been awesome if we had found the catacombs. It's too bad it probably would cave in and I'll be stuck in there. So no, I'm not going in there. Okay, now this one is fenced in, so both of them are. And it looks like there's nothing back there. The other one was, actually no, there's something back here. This is a different one. See, this sign. Now, if we come back here and find out this sign is laying down, somebody hopped the fence and did it just to mess with me. Well, I don't think they're messing with me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy, man. Well, there's some more abandoned buildings. Destroyed and everything. Well, I can't hop this fence. I mean, because you got this here. We'll trip over that trying to get back. And, yeah, I could actually tear up the fencing too, probably. I'm going to go the other way. That's the dead end to my left there. Alright, now that looked like there was a crossover. Can I get to it? Well, that right there was probably maybe there is no waterfall. I mean, I guess that could be loud enough from up there. Maybe. No, this actually, no, it was kind of far. That might have been what I was hearing right there. That might have just been it. I guess I'll just keep on walking. Find something else. What the hell, man? See if we can get here. Get about as close as possible. Ouchie. Ooh, ow. No turtles. No turtles. Try and get here. Man, I don't want to trip. No tripping, please. Oh, goodness. Man, this is difficult because they're not straight. Oh, goodness. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. Could just walk alongside here. Alrighty. Well, where does this take me? Oh, man. Well, how far does the stream go? Walk along here. Listen, one wrong step and I'm dead. I'm just kidding. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Okay, this looks... Okay, listen. Self, knock it off. Okay, self, I'm fine. What are you talking about? What am I talking about? You know exactly what I'm talking about, self. Wait, why am I saying you as if I'm somebody else? Alright, let me go back. Let me just go back. I'm just going to walk the actual trail to it. Was that a dead end, or could I just walk this stream? Seriously. Goodness. Shit. These rocks are not safe, damn it.